Hello everyone, Marco Chiappetta with Hot Hardware here. I am with Lenovo at their pre-CES event, checking out a wide array of really cool products. I'm with Sam, and he has an awesome little desktop PC in front of him. Sam, show us what you got there.
Yeah, so this is our new Yoga Mini iPC. So it is essentially a small little desktop. It's 0.65 liters. And what's impressive about it is it has the latest Intel Panther Lake processors in there. So ultimately, what this device is a very AI-centric, AI-native device. So we have built-in microphones and speakers, as well as an interesting little light ring that will give you some ambient lighting, as well as options for notifications and whatnot. So we've even added an accelerometer inside of this device so that you can access some of the smart features with simple taps and double taps. So that'll be very fun and a fun little desktop to use.
Very cool. And any special keyboard and mouse coming with that, or not decided yet?
It'll come with a package with keyboard and mouse. But essentially, the idea behind this device is to be a kind of an AI companion desktop.
Gotcha, very cool. But full-featured Windows machine, connect to any monitor.
Yes.
That is really cool. Any idea on availability?
This will be available in 2026 as well.
And talking pricing yet, or not yet?
I don't have pricing quite yet.
Gotcha. Thank you so much, Sam. Really cool machine.